How to enable vivid filter on your iPhone 17 Air. So how to enable this vivid filter? Let's take, if you press on your camera and try to take a photo, and if you go to your photo option, then here you can see the vivid filter is available here. So how to enable this vivid filter easily? For that, go to your setting, and under setting you need to go your camera option and go to format. Now you need to select most competitively. If you select high efficient, let's check. If you select high efficient and if you try to, then you can see this option is available but no vivid filter. So you have to set most compatible and you need to take a photo. Now you can easily set vivid filter to this format. So that's it. Thank you. Please don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.